Yo, what's good with y'all boys? It's very Joint, aka Vixen, back with yet another video, man. Today I got something a little different for y'all. I'm proud to announce that we are officially partnered with Whop. If you don't know what Whop is a rental service where you can rent bots and you can rent out your own bots to other people. Whop has by far the best prices on the market for renting out bots. For example, on the alleged box logo drop, I was able to rent COOKGROUP for $5. Whop has a large catalog of bots on their site with up to 36 bots. With their very easy system, you get your bot as soon as possible. Whop also provides guides for each bot, its checkout log, and the ability to reset keys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can rent a bot out for yourself. So let's get into it. We're here in Whop, and of course the first thing you want to do is sign up. There'll be a link in the description that you can click and it'll take you to the site where you can sign up, and you will also receive $5 for signing up, which you can use for any bot on the site right now. Once we're done signing up and we're logged in, we can now start renting our bot. So let's say that we want to rent Stellar. We can go over here, we click Stellar, and from here we can see what operating system works with Stellar, which is Windows. And then we can see which sites it supports, which is Shopify and collectibles such as Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Amazon, all those things. And also on the right side, we have this calendar. This is where we can actually select how much time we want to rent the bot out for. If you don't want to use the calendar, on the left side, we have these pink buttons where you can click how much time you want as well. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to click today. And then we can click the green button that says rent bot. And then it comes up with the screen where it says our rental duration, where it says now, and then until tomorrow at 5 p.m. is when the key will deactivate. Then we can put in our payment information that we're going to use to buy the bot. And once that's filled out, we can go ahead and click purchase. It brings us to our rental page where we can see our key, what date it begins and ends, and then the status of how long we have it. And we also have some other things on the side where we could download the bot. We can also look at the Stellar guide, and we can request to reset the key. Resetting the key might come in handy when you want to switch to a different computer. Let's say you put it on your home computer and you want to move to your laptop. There's no more waiting around for someone to reply to your message. You could do it all by yourself. And from there, that's it. We have the key. It's that simple. And with their brand new addition to the site, which is known as Whop Prime, you can now have support for every single bot. You can hop in a live chat and have someone help you set up, or if you have any questions about the bot, you could also hop in there and talk about that. Also with Whop Guide, you're able to see setup guides as well as updates that the bot team has pushed and their checkout log. They even have links at the very bottom where you can watch videos and written guides from experts that also use the bot. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's very simple. This is one of the best platforms to rent bots out on. It's very safe, efficient, and the most user friendly. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I appreciate you guys for sticking around. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what do you think about this platform. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.